Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the fascinating world of sea otters. These incredible marine mammals are more than just adorable. They're essential to the ecosystems they live in. So, let's explore 10 amazing facts about sea otters that will make you appreciate them even more. Fact number 1. Sea otters are masters of survival. They live along the coasts of the northern and eastern North Pacific Ocean, enduring some of the coldest waters on Earth. Instead of relying on a thick layer of blubber like whales or seals, sea otters use their fur to keep warm. And this isn't just any fur, it's the densest in the animal kingdom, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch. These dense coat traps air, providing insulation and keeping their skin completely dry beneath the surface. Fact number 2. Sea otters are tool users. They're one of the few non-human animals known to use tools regularly. When faced with hard-shelled prey like clams, mussels, or sea urchins, otters grab a rock and use it to crack open their meal. Sometimes, they even carry their favorite rock in a pouch of loose skin under their forearms, like a pocket. It's not just clever, it's a behavior that scientists believe may be passed down through generations. Fact number 3. Sea otters are keystone species. This means they have a disproportionately large impact on their environment relative to their numbers. By eating sea urchins, they prevent these spiny creatures from overgrazing on kelp forests. Without sea otters, kelp forests can collapse, leading to a cascade of negative effects on marine ecosystems. So in many ways, protecting sea otters helps protect the ocean as a whole. Fact number 4. Sea otters are social, but in their own unique way. Unlike dolphins or orcas, sea otters don't live in tight-knit pods. Instead, they gather in groups called rafts. A raft can include just a few individuals, or sometimes hundreds of otters floating together. Interestingly, males and females usually raft separately, except during mating or when females are raising pups. Fact number 5. Sea otters are remarkably buoyant. They spend most of their lives in the water, eating, sleeping, and even giving birth there. To sleep safely, otters wrap themselves in kelp to anchor against the current, preventing them from drifting out to sea. Mothers will even wrap their pups in kelp like a floating cradle, keeping them secure while she dives for food. Fact number 6. Sea otters have a huge appetite. They eat about 25 to 30% of their body weight every single day. That's like a 150-pound human eating 40 pounds of food daily. Because they burn so many calories just to stay warm in cold water, this high-energy diet is essential to their survival. Fact number 7. Sea otters are incredibly important to humans. Historically, they were hunted extensively for their luxurious fur, which led to their near extinction in the 18th and 19th centuries. At one point, their numbers dropped to fewer than 2,000 individuals across the Pacific coast. Conservation efforts since then have helped their populations recover, but they remain endangered in some regions. Fact number 8. Sea otters are excellent mothers. Females typically give birth to a single pup, which they care for intensively. They groom their pup constantly to keep its fur waterproof and help it stay afloat. When foraging, a mother will leave her pup resting safely at the surface, wrapped in kelp, returning frequently to check in. It's a demanding job, but one that ensures the next generation of otters can thrive. Fact number 9. Sea otters communicate in surprising ways. They vocalize with a range of sounds, from coos and whimpers to growls and whistles. Mothers and pups, in particular, are very vocal with each other. But body language plays a role, too. Grooming, touching, and playful, rolling all serve as forms of communication within rafts. And finally, fact number 10. Sea otters are symbols of hope for conservation. They remind us that even species driven to the brink of extinction can recover with the right protections and care. Healthy sea otter populations signal healthy ecosystems, lush kelp forests, abundant fish, and balanced marine life. By protecting sea otters, we're not just saving a single species, we're helping preserve the richness of the ocean itself. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of sea otters. If you enjoyed learning these facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who love wildlife.